Welcome to Universal Blogs. In our previous unit, I had told you about the binary numbers and how to convert the binary number to the decimal number and also the decimal number to the binary number. Now, in this unit, let me tell you about the addition and subtraction of the binary numbers. Binary numbers only we consider the two digits, that is 0 and 1. I told you, and here we can go on adding the binary numbers just like in the decimal system, addition or subtraction. Both process can be done just like the decimal system, but here we use only the two digits 0 and 1. In both the addition and the subtraction, see, the only real difference between the binary and the decimal is addition and subtraction is the value of the 2. In the binary system, that is equivalent to 10 in the decimal system. That is 2 is equal to 10 in the binary system. The number 2 is equal to 10. We consider it as 10 and then we will go on doing the addition as well as the subtraction. Now I will show you the example. In the addition process, see here I have considered the one example 101 to base 2, again 111 to base 2. While reading also you should be able to read properly. Don't read it as 101 or 111. In base 2 system we have to read the digits separately only. 101 to base 2, again 111 to base 2. Let us see how to add this binary number. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. I told you in binary system 2 will be equal to 10. So here 2 is equal to 10. So 1 0. We consider it as 1 0. So 0 we will write here and 1 we will carry it over to the next column. Again 1 plus 0 will be just like ordinary addition only. 1 plus 0 1. Again 1 plus 1 will be 2. Again 2 is equal to 1 0. So 0 I am writing here and 1 is again carried over to the next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again that 2 is nothing but 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 will be 1 1. So it will be 1 1 0 0 to base 2. The answer will be like this 1 1 0 0 to base 2. Let us see whether what we have added is correct or not. This is just like a verification process also. Let us convert this binary number to the decimal number and see whether what we have done is exactly correct or not. 101. See, let me convert this. 1 into 2 to the power of 2. I told you here 3 digits are there. So I am writing the power number 2. 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Again this will be equal to 4 plus 0 plus 1. So this will be nothing but 5. And next let me convert this also. This is again 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus again 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. This is nothing but 4 plus again 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0, value is 1. So 1 ones are 1. And here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 will be 7. Here when I add these two, 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12 here. Whether we get the same thing here in the answer, let us see. See, 1 into 2 cubed plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So here this will be nothing but 8. 2 to the power of 3 means we multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 2s are 8 again here plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 will be 4 here plus these two values are 0 because 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So 0 plus 0. Again the answer is 12 here. So here you can see the conversions also. See here also we have got 12 and here also we have got 12. So this is how we add the binary numbers in a very simple manner. Let me show you one subtraction problem also like this. See here, this example, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to base 2, again 1, 0, 1 to base 2, 1, 1, 1 to base 2 minus 1, 0, 1 to base 2. I am telling you about the subtraction here. Let us subtract this. 1 minus 1 means that will be 0. Here we will follow just like the decimal system only. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. Again 1 minus 1 will be 0 here. So this will be 0, 1, 0. The answer will be 0, 1, 0. Now let us convert this into the decimal system. See, this is again 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. This is nothing but 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. And the next one I am converting 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So this will be 4 plus 0 plus 1. So this will be 5. When I subtract these two numbers, 7 minus 5 will be nothing but 2. Let us see here. Then in the answer, let us convert this. 0 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So this will be again 0, because the entire thing will become multiplied by 0, means 0 plus 2 plus 0. So this is nothing but 2 once again. We got the 2 here also and here also. So here you can see that this is how we do the subtraction process. Here, let me try to tell you about the application of the binary system. Application of the binary system is usually done in the computers, computer language, what we call. And here also, as I have mentioned you from the beginning, in both the units I have mentioned, the digits used are 0 and 1. And here the application of this binary system is the digital encoding is the process of taking data and representing it with discrete bits of information. This is how the application is there for the binary system in the computer's knowledge. And nowadays you see the computers has occupied everywhere in the world, and computer has done the excellent jobs, and that informations are given through these binary systems only. Very vast subject, of course. The computer subject itself is a very vast subject, and binary system is applied there in the computer's world. And hereby I am concluding this binary system chapter, and I have given you very little information about this binary system. That is only just the basic thing, the conversions of the binary to the decimal and decimal to the binary, and also how to add and subtract the binary numbers I have told you. So all of you please watch this video and then like it, share it, subscribe it to all. So thank you all.